Hi everyone, it's Catherine again here with Coupon Cart Club. Just here with a quick unboxing video that I have for you guys. Hi everyone, it's Muffins for me. Hi everyone, it's Catherine again. Originally $6.99. When you come this, it's free stuff Friday. All right, so you know what time it is. Influencer sent me a new box in the mail, so we have to open it together. I did get this fragile liquid label on here, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Maybe it's a perfume or something. So I'm so excited for it, and it's the new Autumn Essential Box. It does say just for you, so I'm excited to see what's just for me. So let's open this bad boy up together. All right, all that good stuff there. Yeah. So Box does send kind of like the instructions on how to basically on how to go into the app and do all of the submitting. So when you put your reviews, you can definitely do it here. It does also give you a list of items that you do have available that you can get. And if you guys want to sign up for Influencer, I do have the link down below. You can go through me. There is no charge. All you have to do is fill out a few questions. And then every time there's a box that works for you, they send one to you. So in this box, we got 3 items that I'm super excited for. And the first one that I'm going to be talking about is the Humphreys alcohol-free toner. As you can see, very, very nice. So the soothing, smoothing, refreshing, recharging, experiencing the wild wonders of Humphreys Witch Hazel, the first line of its organic alcohol-free toner made with wild crop certified witch hazel. Wild harvest to capture a vital plant essential and distilled to preserve its natural potency. Humphrey is not diluted and has never polluted. So clean, calm, and condition your skin so you can feel confident putting your best face forward each day and always. Be wild and free. Make sure you guys check out Humphreys on Instagram. It's at Humphreys Witch Hazel, and make sure you guys use the hashtag always be wild and free. As you can see, Box does give us, Influencer does submit to get free regular sizes, not the sample sizes. You get actual sizes of products, so you can definitely see that. They treat us good. They treat you good. All right, next up is the Advil multi-symptom cold and flu. So I only got like 2 little applicates. Hopefully I don't have to use them because I won't get sick, hopefully, keeping my fingers crossed. But it is Advil cold and flu. So this is a temporary relief symptoms associated with common cold, headache, fever, body ache, sinus pressure, nasal congestion, runny nose, sneezing, and nasal swelling. So if you got any of those things going on, make sure you go pick up some Advil multi-symptom cold and flu. Yeah. Also follow them on Instagram and make sure that you use the hashtag cancel the cold. Get rid of it. Yeah. So next up and last but not least is my favorite thing. When you're done with your cold and you're done doing your beauty regimen, you can definitely get a snack, and the snack is a crispity, crunchy, peanut buttery Butterfinger. I do remember in my childhood getting one of these bad boys and seeing the commercial with Bart Simpson, "Don't lay a finger on my Butterfinger." These bars are like really super, super yummy, and I think they're great. And I think that was a nice little treat that they put a little bit of food in here to snack on, and I think it's great. Yeah, so Butterfingers. Yeah, make sure you follow them on Instagram also and use the hashtag Butterfinger. Yummy. Well, I think this autumn box was really, really cool. Definitely, you guys, you have to sign up for Influencer, getting free stuff and just reviewing all the great stuff that you can get. And sometimes they send coupons and discounts that you can use while getting these products. So I definitely think it would be a great opportunity just to get some free stuff and do some reviews on it. See how it feels, because then if you don't like it, you don't have to get it again. But if you do, now you know ahead of time and you didn't spend any money on it. So Thank you so much for listening and watching. For my friends who want to join our Facebook group, I'll have the link down below. And if you want to join a coupon meeting, all you have to do is send us a quick email to couponcardclub@gmail.com. All right, beautiful people, I hate this part of the video, but you know I gotta say it, gotta go. But I will see you beautiful people soon.